find it difficult to manifest whatever you wish in life? Whether it is a simple pen or a ride on a plane. If your answer to this question is yes, then watch on this video for an awesome technique to invite and attract whatever you wish in your life. Hello, my name is Prasen and I help people who feel stuck in their life create more money and good health so that they create a life they don't need a vacation from. The secret to creating a life and the secret to creating a life of abundance lies in your mind. Because whatever your mind can think, whatever your mind can see, it can always create it for you. This particular technique is as old as the hills, starting from the Vajrayana Buddhism, or let's say dating a little before that, dating back to the Tantra tradition, and now adopted successfully as a global sensation by the law of attraction. Yes, I am talking about visualization. However, many people either find it difficult to visualize or realize that in spite of how much they visualize, they don't get the results they want. There's one secret ingredient to creating the life you desire through visualization, which is happiness. There has been a lot of focus on gratitude. Yes, gratitude is important, but more than that, I personally feel it is your state of happiness. It is your state that you already have what you are asking for to the universe, is that one which actually creates what you are looking for. So let us break down the process of visualization into a pre, main and post, and then see it step by step so that we get what we actually want. Step number 1 is making your mind happy. One of the simplest ways that has been scientifically validated of making your mind happy is eating a small piece of dark chocolate. I'm not talking about the regular chocolate or the white chocolate. The chocolate has to be dark. Because dark chocolate helps create happiness hormones in your body and thereby gives your mind a feeling of being elated or being happy. After this, the second step is you have to believe that the universe has exactly what you want and that it is willing to give it to you. So how do you do that? Well, the way to believe that the universe has and is willing to give it to you is simply by expressing gratitude. Yes, my friends, you don't express your gratitude at the end, you express it at the beginning. Because gratitude is the feeling that yes, I am having it already. So talk to the universe. Say thank you for giving me this. This is now mine and I'm really thankful for having it. And then the third step is you visualize actually the thing that you want. Let's say you want a car. So imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat and driving your own car. That feeling of owning a car is the key addition to your feeling of happiness and gratitude. And once you do this, we come to the last step. Once you're done with your visualization, which should be as detailed as possible, as in you should include your emotions, you should include the feeling of touch, what are you hearing at that moment, what are the things you're seeing around you, what are the smells you're getting. Involve all your 5 senses and mind with your emotions. And once you're done complete with the visualization, you come to the last step. The last step is where you actually send this wish directly to the universe so that it comes back to you. So creating this conduit is very important. And it's a very small and short process. All that you need to do is to take a small piece of Bhimseni camphor, keep it on your palm, rub your palms so that your palms get that particular smell, and then close your eyes as you keep your visualization intact and inhale deeply. The smell of Bhimseni camphor is a direct gateway to heaven. It consolidates what you have already visualized and makes sure that whatever you visualize comes to you. However, there's a word of caution I would like to give you. Do not exhale the camphor too much, and visualization should be done on a daily basis. It's not a one-day job. It's not that you do it once and then you forget about it. There has to be some amount of discipline to your emotions. So if you really want something, then you have to really be willing to want it every single day of your life. Try this 4-step process, see how it works, and let me know the results in the comment section. See you.